Hey everyone, a lot of you have been asking what happens after you complete the 60 days POTD challenge, whether you are on day 50, day 58, 59, or even if you have hit the big 60. I am here to share you the next steps. Stay tuned, watch the video till the end so that you are able to understand what happens next after you complete and what are the things you have to do to ensure you will be getting the prizes. So before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video so that you are able to explore these informative challenges and new things on the channel. So let's come to the POTD challenge homepage dashboard. Here you can see, here mostly currently the POTD challenge by NPCI is closed, but there is another POTD challenge running currently. For that I'll make a video which will be live very shortly. Okay. Now here, as per the criteria, most of you have already completed the 60 days challenge. Some of you have completed the 59 days challenge also. Now what you have to do on the 60 days, you have to please pay attention to the video. So on the 60 day, you have to do two things. Okay. First of all, you have to continue your streak for the 60 days, means you have to keep solving the problem till 60 days. You have to post on whatever platform you have posted. For example, they have provided two platform on Twitter also and on LinkedIn also. So wherever you have posted from the day 1 to day 59, you have to keep posting over there till 60 days. Okay. Now on the 60 days, we have to do two things as said earlier. First thing, you have to post the problem screenshot, whatever progress you are sharing on the LinkedIn, you have to do it. And here, one thing you have to do on the 60 day, another post you have to make about how this program, that how the 60 days POTD challenge help you in many ways. For example, it help to improve your DSA, it help to improve consistency. Like this, you have to make a post and tag both of them and add these hashtags. So once you have done, you have secured your prizes. Now who will be getting the prizes, how to claim it? So the prizes will be sent a form, mostly a Google form will be sent to you via email, or maybe they will update over here. I will update a video regarding it, do not worry about it. So the form will contain all the participants, means you have to fill that form, include your details including your POTD username, your social profile link for verification, means LinkedIn or Twitter, wherever you have posted you have to add that links. They'll verify it, and after that you'll be getting a prize email. Mostly it will ask your address details so that you are able to get the swags. Do not worry, I'll show you a quick demo also for the form when it will be live, how to fill the form and all the things will be covered over here. So this was a quick update I wanted to share. And most of you are asking, is there any other events where we get 100% swags? So if you just see, in the description box, I have attached two videos. Okay. One is how to participate in the arcade program. And if you're interested in internship, you can just navigate to the channel. One I have attached for this arcade program. And second, I have attached for the Unstop POTD challenge. Okay. So where just like the GFG POTD challenge, there only you have to work for 30 days and you'll be getting cool goodies over there. So take the benefit of all the opportunities available on the channel. This was a quick update I wanted to share. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel and share it with everyone. Goodbye.